Hello and welcome to Go Crazy with Max. Before or after watching the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So today we will be doing addition of integers. There are some basic rules which I have mentioned over here. So this column represents equation. This column represents the operation that we will be using, and this column tells that after we find the sum, what type of sign we will use. For like here, if we have a positive integer and a positive integer and we need to add them both, then we will be doing an addition. And the sign will be positive, means the number which will be the sum will be positive. So we have an example for it and we will solve it as we go on. So when we have 14 plus 5, we usually know that we need to add 14 to 15. So I will do here 14 plus 15 is 29. And as the operation is addition, we have performed addition here. Then as the sign of sum will be positive, so the answer is plus 29, or you can even write 29 because the plus sign doesn't matter over here. So the answer is 29. Now, the second thing we have is, if we have a positive and a negative number, then we will be doing subtraction, and the sum which will come, or the difference which will come, what sign will be used is of the greatest number. Now, they have a question for that also, like this one. 6 plus minus 7. So, why I am writing here subtraction, because when I have plus and minus, when I have a plus and a minus always becomes minus. So I will either write 6, and I will write 6 because it's a negative, it's a positive number, and then the plus minus becomes a minus 7. So now my answer will be 6 minus 7, or you can say 7 minus 6 is 1. Now as here I have written of the greatest number. It means whatever the greatest number is there in here, in this part, will be the answer. The greatest number here is 7. Don't see the sign right now. Let's see what is the greatest number, 6 or 7. So here the 7 is the greatest number. So and 7 has a negative sign. So the answer will directly become minus 1. Now the third is negative. If you have a negative number and we need to add it to a positive number, then again subtraction operation will be used, and the sign will be of the greatest number. And I have that question to here. Minus 14 plus 9. So you know that 14 minus 14 and plus 9. So when there is a combination of minus and plus, then we will be doing subtraction. So we will be doing 14 minus 9, which is 5. Now what sign will we use here? So here we will use of the greatest number. Here we can see that minus 14 and 9, in this number the 14 is greater than 9. So and 14 has is a negative number here, so it will be minus 5. Sum will be minus 5. The difference. Now negative and negative, when I have a negative number and also a negative, and when I need to add it a negative, I will do addition, and the sign of the sum will be negative. Now are we going to do that? See, if I have this number, so first of all I will write equal to, and I will directly write the minus 5. Now I have a plus and minus. So as we know that plus and minus combination makes a minus, and then the number will come. So I write minus and the number, which is 10. Now, when there is a combination of a minus and a minus, which I can see over here, 1 minute, minus and a minus, this will do addition. This, when I have a combination of minus and minus, it means I need to perform the operation of addition. And the so 10 plus 5 will be 15. And both, and as we know that the sign of the sum will be negative, so it will be minus 15. I hope you understood the addition of integers. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.